Okay. Tony, Dave, Rick, what do you need? Sarah, Denny, Lee, Jill.
I can tell you, this air conditioning makes all the difference.
Tease me!
You tased me! You tased me! You sound like a
I got
bitch.
that head too. Hello, this is Sarah with Hat Head.
Hat head girl.
What's up? G-Money. Hey, Tony, how you doing? Hey, G-Money. What's up, G? Show us your thorax, baby. Look at that. Oh, look at the bra strands across your heart, bro. My play test.
It's a Wonder Bra!
It's a Wonder Bra. What time is it, Tony? You wouldn't know it.
I'm joking.
Get that damn thing on my
8:35.
Hey, what's up, Tony?
Anita's 21.
Oh, you go, girlfriend.
Do a 21-year-old dance.
Huh?
Do a 21 dance. A 21.
Oh,
You want a bar night, Rita?
yeah, we
Well, I'll
do.
buy you a shot. I'll buy you a shot.
Yeah.
I'll buy you a shot right now. There's some 151 vodka in the freezer. It's all yours. Oh!
Brad, sport out my couch.
Just throwing one, Brad? Or just throwing five? What?
I think it's doesn't sound like to me.
These are on side. If you get all of them now, it's one. If you say, well, if you go on one of them, you can't go. You can't go ahead. Yeah, it sounds like you really got me.
That's fine. So,
Deal with it.
and then just there'll be deal an extra hand.
No.
Alright, I'm done. Oops. Okay, that's cool. No, there's be a lot of.
Yeah, deal an extra hand.
No, it doesn't matter because it does.
Yeah, it'll keep the blood away.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That makes sense. Okay.
Tony doesn't know how.
I don't know how to see you.
You are not coming to me. Hey, Tony. Tony!
Yeah.
Not ice! Hey, Tony. Hey, you gotta get the floor. What do you think, man? You want something? I don't have anything to hold it, Tony. Focus on other people. There we go. We got one part, 151 vodka, to the equal part of Mountain Dew. Then you put in about that much OJ, and this shit'll fuck you up, man. I'll tell you that. This is great.
Hey, Macarena!
Heard the Macarena playing?
I'm not gonna do the Macarena. I am too cool to do the Macarena.
Rich, look at Rich out here.
Hey, get Rich Carr doing the Macarena. Come on,
Do the
Carr.
Macarena, Greg.
Come on, Carr, do the Macarena.
Macarena.
I don't know macaroni. Go to the Texas ladies, man. Wow. Come on, Trick.
You gotta make me pull this thing out again.
What, huh?
Hi. I got like 44 pounds up and Rabbit's ass.
He's faking it.
Good one. Fucking you're dead, woman!
His hands are wet.
Zoom going on.
I did compliment me without a pass, too.
Really? Everybody else had a wash.
He let me in without a
Whoa.
pass.
Man.
I'm like, man.
Y'all must have been in.
I'm like, man.
Y'all must have been letting me in.
Ah!
Look at this. I can get in. Woo!
That's exactly what he let me in without a pass. He did? He's 11? No.
Now I want to get someone via to flip frames from the
Show.
anger mail.
You want to get what?
Shake it.
Come on, baby!
Daddy,
kids! Sorry. Turn your back on. Just
Never
violated.
feed my kids unless they wake up with me in the morning. What?
Cheers!
Show me your
kids! Cheers! Pickle me, baby! Cheers! Gonna hit the ground. And his fireworks show. Hey, look at that! Ah! Hey, everybody's see the light.
Expeditionist!
Come on! Do it again, real quick.
I'm not an expeditionist!
She's not drunk enough yet.
Just
Give
go.
her a beer, she'll
Just
be fine.
like that.
No, she's alright.
Sarah, please.
As soon as you kiss her, as soon as you turn the light off,
Yeah, turn the light up.
That's right.
You gotta turn your head the other way. No, not on tape.
Not on tape.
It'd be legally binding.
pretend to turn it off.
Yeah, give it up.
That was awesome.
Smooch on it, Bertie. Come on.
You resisted.
I'm not that type of girl.
What the hell's up with that? Liar.
I don't want to see that out there.
Look at her face, you idiot. Gil's got a ton of
Now I want to see you guys kiss real quick.
Denny. I would have kissed Sarah. Oh, Karen.
Kiss her on the cheek.
Let's kiss. Bang.
Baby.
Strap it on, Sarah. I am denying. What is this? This is good. Sarah and Kate. Oh, look at her boobs.
Horrible. Oh my God. Wait, I spilled my beer.
Uh-oh.
I have been raped.
I did nothing. It's not my fault. My hat, though. Thank you.
I'm violated. Oh, you're here for me, Ricky. I love you too.
No, this is X. Caitlin. I wouldn't stand there either.
Oh.
I want to film it. Watch out.
Yeah. Oh my God. Damn.
Are we watching that? That was awesome.
Do it again.
Where does that sit out in the freezer? I said do that again.
It's in the fridge, Coop, man. Blow it up, baby. Come on.
For the catfish. Are you doing
Blow up the outside. Blow up the outside world.
I'm doing it.
Alan's doing it.
Come on, someone do it. Blow up the outside.
That didn't work.
Okay, it's for my hand. I caught my hand
My
on
battery's
fire.
running dead. Hurry up.
Don't waste my fluid. You're all pussies.
Fluid. We have it.
Get this on film. Okay, this is 151 vodka. Okay.
Give me the lighter.
Shit should light like nothing
Give me
you've
the
ever
lighter.
seen before.
Thank you. I'll light it for you.
You make more than I do. You take a swig out of that light.
Yeah, it would help with the Tommy Rock.
Well, that's why Alan didn't make any.
Dude, I'll be able to drink
Holy shit, that shit's strong. It's like burning my mouth.
Yeah, it is.
It burns your mouth.
I can't even imagine drinking that shit straight.
You ready?
Oh, let's go, Coop. Come on, baby. Come on.
Don't stand there, dude.
20. Coop! Fire! Ah!
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay, shit. Right there. It's for me. Did it burn you?
You alright?
Burn me. You like fire over my arms, okay? Looks like, man, there's your lighter back.
Yeah, do it again.
Goodbye. You guys want to do it anymore, you do it by yourself.
It burns the shit out of your mouth, dude.
Really?
It does. I swear to God, try it.
No.
It's cool as shit.
My tongue's right.
You gotta move. I can't relax.
I got a sister. Diamonds, huh? So is Joe.
Jeff, what do you?
If you want diamonds, just get it. Go ahead. Craig's up there like, what the hell's going on? Like a freaks.
Just smile at the camera, I'll take a picture.
Look up at the camera, smile. Look up to it. Yeah, last one, dude. There's Trisha's. Oh, denied.
6 points. You guys didn't get 2.
What the? I ain't got any points yet.
Whenever we won 3 times. I don't know what you people are talking about.
You guys have no.
You guys cheat. I don't know what the hell's
Hey,
wrong with
keep
you.
that. You're keeping score. Rich is drunk. Rich, get drunker.
On the video, no space.
Come on.
I'm fine.
It's your play.
I just laid down 10 to 9.
I'm playing a damn good catcher on the video. Nobody's watching.
You put that out. Yeah.
Look at that shit. I'm the man.
I got the next to you, bud.
It's shit.
Oh, do ya?
Ray, how many cards are we spending?
I gave you. You shut up.
How many cards are we spending?
Who's gonna pull it back? I think we got 2 points.
It's Tony.
How many cards are we spending?
Catcher here, all right?
This deal.
Tony.
This game is unorganized.
Good catcher here, all right? Right here.
I got a tip, but I need the video tip before.
Where did we get 2
That was
points?
like, skinny catcher scored. Doing catch right here.
Hey, Mark, let me fast forward this.
Okay.
I'll pass it to the redneck team.
Tony. I'm a good catcher, okay?
What are you doing?
He gets it. Oh, yes, it does.
Smile for 2 minutes. What do you think? Sit up. Can you make it water?
What are you, double pointed or what?